In this video, I will show you that how you can view your deposit history, withdrawal history, and transfer history from the Kucoin application. I will also show you that how you can view your trading history, your all open orders, and advanced orders from the Kucoin application. You don't need to log in your account on Kucoin website. You can directly view all your history from the Kucoin application by following these simple steps. So let's move on the Kucoin application. So I have opened Kucoin application on my cell phone. To view your deposit and withdrawal history, you have to click on the assets and you have to select on the overview. After selecting overview, here you can see the history button. So you have to click on the history button. So in this section, you will find your deposit history, withdrawal history, and transfer. For example, currently we are viewing deposit history. If you click on any deposit history, you can further see the blocks, time, network, and all the details are present here. And here you can see the filters that which deposit history you want to see. Currently I have only USDT and Bitcoin history. So let's say I want to see USDT history. So here you can see currently we are viewing only deposit history. If you click on the filters, so here you can see that which status you want to see and how much old history you want to see. Alright, currently it is confirmed. So if you read here, only shows record from the past 1 year. You can see only 1 year history from this tab. Similarly, if you want to see withdrawal history, the filters are same. You can see any coin history. You can use any filter to see your withdrawal history. It is similar to deposit history. So if you have transferred anything from your funding to trading wallet or trading to funding wallet or trading to future wallet, you can see all your transfer history here. So I have transferred some amount from funding to trading, trading to funding. It will be present here. So from this section, you can easily view deposit, withdrawal, and transfer history. If you want to see your trading history and open order history, just press the back button, come on the home page. If you want to see your trading history, just click on the trade button. So when you click on the trade button, here you can see the history button. So if you select any other coin from the market, you can also see this. Click on buy or sell any button. So here you can see the history button. If you click on the history button, you will see the entire history of your trading. So from this section, you can see open orders, advanced orders, and order history. So currently I have only one open orders, which is KCS USDT order. From this section, you can easily cancel your open order by pressing the cancel button. If you have multiple orders, in the bottom you can see cancel all. You can cancel all your pending orders by using this single button. If you have any advanced order, it will be present here. You can also cancel in the same way just like the open orders. Let me cancel this, confirm. Alright, so my open order is cancelled. Now on order history, here you will see your all trading history, that which can you buy and sell. So currently we have cancelled the KCS order. So it shows the cancelled history, that sell, limit order, cancelled, average price, time. So here you can find your trading history, and here there are multiple filters. So here you can see the pair button. From this filter you can select any pair you want to see the history. Currently I want to see all history, and if you click on this side, so you can select that you want to see the buy history or sell history. Let's say if you want to see the sell history, so all sell orders will be present here. Similarly, if you click on the type, which type trading orders you want to see, limit order, market order, stop limit order, you can select any one filter. If you want to see all history, click on the all. If you want to see just limit orders, just click on the limit, and all limit orders will be there. And using this button, you can set the time, that how much old history you want to see, just like 3 months, 1 month, and 1 week. And what should be the status of your orders? All orders, or do you want to see only completed orders or cancelled orders? If you want to see just cancelled orders, confirm. So all cancel orders are here. So in this way, you can see your entire trading history from the Kucoin application. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.